So this is the drift remotes, and what I like to show is how to repair them. No click. It should be like this. This one, when I push, it don't start. So I have two faulty remotes. I will show how to repair those. 4 small screws. Then you need to flip up the backside. Then you need to take out this, and then take out the electronics. So here you can see on the inside, you can see that you have these knobs. When you push the button, they are actually pushing on. Tick, 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 tick. This is the switches. This one has none, and this one has slid to the side. And this I find very common on these remotes, that these guys fall out of place. So now this one works, but this one will slide away again soon. So, and here we actually can see that here's the plastic from the one that was sitting here, but the actual metal thing is gone. If you compare these two, you can see that it's these two is the one that you use the most. This one you don't use that often, and it's not broken, no shit, because you don't use it all the time. And so I will move one of these to this one, because I think it's more important to have this working. So it's just to flip it up and move it. Now we have on both sides. I will try to use some ordinary of these tape just to see if that will work, because I use this remote pretty frequently, so I will soon know if this will help. And we try. Still works. Still works. I'll add it back into this. You have this plastic thing here that you need to go under, and then it should be straightforward like that. Put on the back side. Turn it around, try it, pushing this one to see if it works, and yay, it does. This one works now, and this one works as well. So I hold this one to turn it off, and this is the most common problem with these remotes that I found. This is not the first time I repair this one, so I will just screw it together. So, done. So let's look at the second one. This one clicks on both, but this one won't start. So it's either a battery problem or it's the same. here you can see this one has fallen off. It's here. That one should be on top of this one. There. So, a little excessive here, but don't see a problem with that. So, this should keep these small fuckers in place. Works? Works. Good. There's a bit of dust, but not that bad, considering that I've been riding with this remote for like 20,000 Ks, maybe? Pretty far. 2 years. I do like to add, while putting this one together again, that I find drift support to be excellent. I myself work within support, but in a different business, and I think they are excellent. Every time we have had an issue, there's never been an argument. They've just shipped replacement part, or we send in the camera and they send us the new one, and so on. So, all the best. Into camera mode, and it's filming. This is tag filming. Push it to the record. Push the stop.